Hey guys, it's Nadia here from VAG Spec Centre, and today I'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide to your VW service and maintenance. How do you keep your VW running smoothly for years to come? What is the best practice when it comes to VW maintenance? Thankfully, the team here at VAG Spec Centre is here to help you keep your VW in tip-top shape. We know how important your vehicle is to you, and we're here to help to keep that silky smooth ride. Are you ready to learn everything there is about VW service and maintenance? Let's go! Maintaining a vehicle is a lot like keeping your body in shape. Your VW needs a healthy lifestyle as well. Your car has many different parts that need to work properly on their own, but should also be able to work together in the system. Each system is made out of multiple components and fluids.
Changing your oil and oil filter regularly can help extend the life of your engine by preventing the buildup of harmful particles and debris over time. In addition, by keeping the oil clean, you can reduce the risk of damage or corrosion in critical engine components such as bearings, pistons, and cylinders. It's recommended that air and cabin filters are changed every 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. However, drivers need to understand that variables such as geography, season, climate, and driving habits affect this mileage number. Why is having clean air filter and cabin filters important? It's pretty simple. Air needs to pass through various systems to keep the car functioning properly. If debris, dust, or other residue restricts the airflow, engine components can start breaking down. Spark plugs are recommended to be changed every 60,000 kilometers, and it's critical to minimize damage to the engine. If spark plugs are worn or faulty, they start causing misfires. Why are engine misfires such a problem? Misfires are the failure of one or more spark plugs or coil packs to ignite or fire properly. If misfires continues, they eventually damage the catalytic converter, and replacing the catalytic converter is a costly repair. Timing belt replacement is one of the most essential services. Failure to adhere to the recommended replacement interval causes significant engine damage if the belt breaks. Thankfully, timing belt services isn't needed too frequently. It's recommended every 120,000 kilometers. Timing chains are less problematic than belts in terms of a critical failure because you usually have a warning. Typically, a trouble code presents itself with physical symptoms like clicking noises or the vehicle running roughly.